channel. So in this video series we are going to create one find room rent rooms and PGs and commercial places in nearby. Okay, so basically this is the application where you can find a verified PG, flat, commercial, rental, every kind of things near you. Okay, so it will take your current latitude and longitude, and based on that you can search any rooms that you want. Okay, so that is the in this video we are going to see the screens or the preview of the application, how it will look. Okay, after that we are going to move forward like this. Okay, so and also in this applications we are going to use Node.js as a backend. Okay, and we are going to use the backend framework as Express, and for database we are going to use PostgreSQL, and for the front end we are going to use Flutter. So this is basically Flutter application. Okay, so now this will be the look of our application. There will be the flash screen. If you see here, there is a flash screen. After that, this will be a role selection. Okay, we are not going to make two applications, one for owner and one for customer. Rather we are going to differentiate the interface based on the role. Okay, you can make another application for the owner or for the like whoever placing their properties or whoever placing their room. You can make different application, it's up to you. Okay, so this will be the room role selection page where user can select owner or customer based on that. After that they need to enter their email ID. Based on that email ID they will get one OTP. After verifying the OTP they need to enter their personal details. Some of the personal details is here. Okay, then after that there are some address details. Okay, based on occupation and marital status we will take. After that, last but not the least, we are taking owner or customer profile picture. Okay, after that it will go to the pending state. The super admin or whoever the creator of the applications, in that case me, I am going to verify each and every profile. After that, if it is verified, then only owner can place their listings or place their homes, and for the customers they can search the room. Okay, they can search any room and they can apply for it or they can book for it. Okay, now this is the owner home screen. Owner home screen look like they will be adding new listings, booking. They can see their own bookings, they can check their queries, or they can check whoever is involving on chat. Okay, so and this will be the customer home screen. Customer home screen look like this. There may be some like small changes will be there, but this will be the like the look of the applications. Okay, so here add home listings. This list will be this is for the what am I saying, this is for the owner, whoever adding their room for listing. Okay, so they need to upload the image. Okay, they need to upload the image. They need to select the home type. They need to give their name, description, availability, cutlery, veg or non-veg, WhatsApp number, location, and this location will be take using the current lat long. Okay, taking the current lat long, it will display the location or address, phone number, facilities, whatever facilities they are providing, a number of rooms, square feet. Also there one more field will be added, that is payment. Okay, per month rent. Okay, after that they will submit the listing, and owner can see their bookings like this. Okay, and they can talk on the inbuilt chat section. Okay, for that we are going to use the FCM. Okay, whenever user created the profile, it will automatically generate the FCM. One FCM token will be generated, and based on that we are going to chat with owner and customer can chat. Okay, now that will be for the owner and this will be for the customer. Okay, so this will be the customer room. All the available rooms will be displayed here, like this is the PG, this is rent, this is commercial, this is other, this is PG, like this. Okay, and customer can filter based on the PG, rent, commercial and others. Also they can select the radius, and based on the radius also they can apply filter. Okay, all that is the details of the one particular room. Okay, room details. Okay, and now this is the search, and for search user can search based on their radius. As you see here showing radius within 3 kilometer radius, this is the 3 kilometer radius. User can select the 5 kilometer radius or 10 kilometer radius based on their radius. Okay, it will take their current lat long, and it will show all the available PGs, room, rent room, commercial, everything in the map. Okay, they can wishlist their PG and rent and everything. Okay, that will be the setting screen. Okay, so yeah, that's it. This will be the small application, but here we can learn many things, like we are going to use the map. Okay, and we are going to use the filter, we are going to use the navigation, and we are going to use the Node.js as the backend. We are going to use the PostgreSQL for our database, also the Firebase for our FCM token. Okay, so this is the small view of the application, how it will look. And in the next video we are going to create our APIs for login. Okay, also for we are basically going to see how our APIs will look like for login and profile creation. Okay, for both owner and customer. After that we are going to move forward to our application part. Okay, thank you.